Hello everyone, Mike Gavin here, and this is my voice. Today I present to you the plugin called Advanced Lottery by Ian244. This will add a bunch of cool features to your server. Now let's take a look at some comments first. As you can see here, /lottery and /lottery have, they are the same, and they will often the help menu. These items, when you hover over them, they will show the information of the plugin. Now for the first one right here, it describes how the plugin works. Only one player will be selected as the winner, and that player would win the total amount of money in pot. And here you can see how money in the pot. Currently there are nobody buying the tickets, so there's nothing in here. When you hover over the watch, it shows you how much time left to the next draw. So I set it to 1 minute and it's counting down. You hover over the book, you will see all of the comments in the plugin. The next comments I will show you is /lottery menu. So this is where you buy on your ticket and see people that bought the tickets. And you can also see the money in pot and the time to draw. Now let's try buy a new ticket. This confirmation box will appear. You can press on confirm or cancel. The name of this bot can also be changed in the config file. So let's just confirm. And in the chat they say that you has just bought a lottery ticket. There is a cool feature when you hover over this message. It says click me to buy a ticket. The confirmation box will appear again and you can buy another ticket if you want. And other player will see the message also. So let's buy another one. When the time is less than 10 seconds, it will begin counting down in the chat, as you can see. And then the title and the subtitle will appear, showing the name of the player who won the lottery and how much of money that they won. And they can be customized in the config file, so everything is totally up to you. There are also two other commands. They are /lottery buy, it does what it says, and lottery time, it will tell you how much the time to the next draw. So it says time to draw is 42 seconds. And so that pretty much everything in this plugin. Now let's head into the config files. In the plugins folder, you can see there are 3 files. Open them with your text editor. I strongly recommend Notepad++ or Sublime Text. They are very good editors. And when you open them, first take a look in the config.iml file. The first row, check for updates. So if you want your plugin is up to date, you can change it to true. The countdown time in minutes, like I set it to 1, is 1 minute. If you want the time is 1 hour, you can change it to 60, which is 60 minutes. And you can change the price of the tickets, and you can change how many tickets that one player can buy. The allow broadcast, it is the message in the chat when you buy a ticket or someone just won the lottery. There are the sounds that you can toggle on or off. The anvil cancel sound. You remember the confirmation box when you press on buy ticket. There are confirm and cancel button. So when you press on cancel, it will play the anvil sound. But if you don't want the plugin to do that, just change it to false. The player win sound is the sound when the server announces the winner of the lottery. The time, so you can change this into your language, into something easier to understand, like second, I can change to sex, and minutes is means with an S, and hours, just make them shorter if I want. And the GUI name here, you can change every single GUI's name in the plugin. So the help menu, I want it to be just help. Now let's open the messages file. So this will be very useful if you want to change the language of the plugin. So you can change this to the language that you are using. Now into the items.yml, and here you can change the items in every single GUI that you saw before. So this is the time preview which is the word in the GUI. So you can change the material, you can change the law. I want to make this shorter, so just time and this, and the rest of them is the same. Like the previous page material, which is an arrow, you can change it into something like a code, and the same for the next page. Just save this and reload the plugin and you are good to go. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, just leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm very appreciated.